Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to get profit with Binance Sharia Earn. So Binance just launched their new product, which is Binance Sharia Earns. It's the world's first Sharia compliant staking product for BNB, Ethereum, and Solana. So let's break it all down from the background to the products and to the step-by-step guide on how to stake. Binance launched Sharia Earns, a staking platform that follows Islamic financial principle while still allowing users to grow their digital assets. So what is Binance Sharia Earns? So Binance Sharia Earn is a staking program that has been officially certified halal by Armani Advisors, one of the world's leading Sharia advisory firms. It operates under the Islamic contract of Wakala, which means Binance only acts as an agent, not a guarantor of profits. There's no lending, no interest, no investment in non-halal sectors. So everything is reviewed and approved by an independent Sharia board to ensure full compliance. So these are the benefits and features: Sharia certified, multi-token innovation, and wide availability. And there is limited time promotion. You can subscribe and earn, and you can get point and share 80,000 in USDT rewards. And there is red packet rewards you can get from the 20,000 USDT reward pool. Okay, now I will show you how to stake the product. So if you already signed in on your browser, you can just click subscribe here. But if you want to buy it from your Binance apps, I will show you. First, you can open your Binance apps, and then don't forget to sign in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and you can search Sharia Earn. Can search it and you will find Sharia Earn on function. You can click it, and this is the page for Sharia products. You can click all assets here, and there are 3 assets for now: BNB, Ethereum, and Solana. And the biggest APR is Solana. You can click this one if you want to buy it, and you will read it. You can see optimize your stake sol and unlock liquidity. You can click subscribe here, and then you can put your amount of Solana, and then you will see the estimated reward. For now, I don't have Solana, and let's say I want to stake BNB. I can click BNB and choose the lock period. Let's say this one, and then you can click the amount, and then you can confirm it. I have read, and you can click next. I think that's it for the tutorial. If you have any question, you can write it on the comment. And if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.